Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered what reputation management software is and how it can help your food business? In this video, we are going to break down what exactly reputation management software is and why it's important for food business operators. So let's get started. As a business owner in the hospitality and catering industry, you know how important it is to provide exceptional customer service and deliver high-quality products. But in today's digital age, it's not enough to just provide a great experience in person. Your online reputation can make or break your business, with customers turning to online reviews and ratings to make decisions about where to dine or cater their events. That's where Reviewmatic comes in. Reviewmatic is the ultimate software tool for online reputation management in the hospitality and catering industry. With Reviewmatic, you can easily monitor and respond to reviews on multiple platforms, including Yelp, Google, and TripAdvisor, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. Our powerful sentiment analysis tool highlights the most critical reviews, so you can quickly address any issues and improve your overall customer experience. As a business owner, it is essential for you to manage both positive and negative customer feedback tactfully for the success of your business. With Reviewmatic's smart private feedback feature, you can easily collect and respond to feedback from your customers in a private and efficient manner. This feature enables you to take the conversation with your customer offline, address any issues or concerns, and maintain a positive public image for your business. But why is online reputation management so important in the hospitality and catering industry? Let's take a look at some statistics. According to a study by Bright Local, 87% of consumers read online reviews for local businesses in 2020, and 48% only consider businesses with a rating of 4 or higher. This means that if your business has a low rating or negative reviews, you could be losing potential customers before they even step through your doors. In the same study, 89% of consumers read businesses' responses to reviews, and 30% said that seeing a business's response to a review would make them more likely to visit. This means that responding to reviews, both positive and negative, can have a significant impact on your business's reputation and customer loyalty. A survey by TripAdvisor found that 94% of restaurant operators agree that online reviews influence business decisions, and 60% of operators say they respond to all reviews. This highlights the importance of staying on top of your online reputation and responding to reviews in a timely and professional manner. A study by Cornell University found that a 1-star increase in a restaurant's Yelp rating can lead to a 5 to 9% increase in revenue. This demonstrates the financial impact that online reviews and ratings can have on your business, and the importance of taking your online reputation seriously. With these statistics in mind, it's clear that managing your online reputation is crucial for success in the hospitality and catering industry. But how can Reviewmatic help? First and foremost, Reviewmatic makes it easy to monitor your online reputation across multiple platforms. Instead of logging into each platform individually and scrolling through endless reviews, Reviewmatic provides a centralized dashboard where you can see all of your reviews in one place. This saves you time and energy, allowing you to focus on providing exceptional customer service in person. Reviewmatic's sentiment analysis tool is another powerful feature that can help you improve your online reputation. By highlighting the most critical reviews, you can quickly identify areas where your business can improve and take action to address any issues. This can lead to better customer experiences, more positive reviews, and increased customer loyalty. With Reviewmatic, you can even encourage your customers to leave reviews through our easy-to-use system. You can put a QR code in your establishment or use the software to bulk invite your customers to request reviews. Offering incentives to your customers, such as a discount on their next visit or a free appetizer, can be a great way to encourage customers to leave a review. It's important to remember that incentivizing reviews should never involve bribing or manipulating customers, but rather offering a genuine token of appreciation for their time and feedback. Finally, if you're interested in learning more about how Reviewmatic can benefit your business, we invite you to book a free discovery call with our team today. We'll be happy to walk you through the features of Reviewmatique and show you how it can help you improve your online reputation, increase customer loyalty, and ultimately grow your business. In conclusion, managing your online reputation is no longer an option in the hospitality and catering industry. With customers relying more and more on online reviews and ratings to make their decisions, businesses must be proactive in monitoring and responding to feedback. Reviewmatique is the ultimate software tool for online reputation management in the industry, providing a centralized dashboard, sentiment analysis, private feedback, and more. By leveraging Reviewmatique's features, you can improve your online reputation, attract more customers, and grow your business. Book your free discovery call with our reputation management consultant today and take the first step towards online reputation success. We are so grateful that you spent your precious time watching this video. We promise to bring you more exciting topics very soon. If you know someone who would love to benefit from this video, please spread the love and share it with them. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.